Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by warming the engine for 5 to 10 minutes to lower oil viscosity. This helps faster, more complete drainage. Once done, secure the car with the parking brake, chock the rear wheels, and lift it with a jack and supports at the pinch welds so you have about 1/2 meter of clearance to work safely. Next, position a 6L catch pan under the drain plug and use the correct 1/2 socket to slowly loosen the plug until oil begins to flow steadily into the pan. Once most oil has drained, remove the oil filter housing cap using the proper socket and extract the paper filter and old O-ring. Replace both with OEM parts. Lubricate the new O-ring with fresh oil so it seats cleanly, then hand start the cap and torque to the factory spec to prevent leaks. Replace the drain plug crush washer and torque the plug to spec. This prevents stripping or seepage. Lower the car, add the specified 5 liters of 5W40 TDI oil through the filler neck, and run the engine briefly. You finish by letting the engine run a minute, then shut it off and wait several minutes for oil to settle before checking the dipstick. Top up in small increments until the level reads between min and max. Make sure there are no active leaks under the drain plug or filter housing, and reset the oil change indicator using the vehicle's MFD or a VCDS tool so service reminders are accurate. If you see low oil pressure, light, or smoke, stop immediately. Recheck plug and filter tightness and oil level as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.